Welcome.
Welcome.
It's snowing outside again in Minnesota. What a
Shocker.
wonder. Shocker. Are you on? I feel like I should be lower. Or higher, lower.
Higher, lower.
All right. Today we are going to make some tassels. Okay, one tassel.
I'll put it between our heads.
There you go.
We're gonna make these. Danielle's not here. Yeah, so you tell them about your partnership with Blue Sky.
I was invited by Blue Sky Fibers as a, what do they call it? Hashtag makers. Oh, Blue Sky Makers. I think that's what it is. Campaign for to just bring more awareness to Blue Sky Fibers, and it's a Minnesota company.
Yeah.
I love that. Like right out of Cambridge, it's so fabulous. Like they have an alpaca farm and all that lovely stuff. So I was invited to go learn more about the company, and I got to pick out some very special yarn and do some projects with it, which was so much fun. And they also gave us a couple of these kits. So we got to make this while we were at the event, learning about all their yarn and stuff. So I am going to help Abby make this, and it's going to be so much fun.
All right. Kit includes 3 mini hanks of all natural Peruvian yarn, shine tag, alpaca charm, key ring, instructional booklet, and online code for a knitting pattern of your choice. If you were to buy
So
one.
much fun. Yeah, if you were to buy it.
Oh my gosh. So I have the shine one, so you can see up close. Boop. There's a bunch of different tags on there.
Yes.
Kind of fun. Okay, those are my directions.
These are your directions.
Other side.
So then this is your little bag with all your little items in it. So you have these are your little things that you get to hook on. So this is the shine one, and then your cute little alpaca. So these are the things that go on top of your ring. The top, so cute. Yeah.
Am I disassembling this?
You can disassemble that, yes. So yeah, you're gonna break all these are all the end pieces right here.
Bring it.
So you're gonna take apart each end of your box. Here's your ends.
Cut off one of the long and cut this in half.
Yep. Or fold it. That works just as well.
Just take.
It does. It works
Do
really
I
well.
need 3?
So you have 4 of them. I don't think you'll use all 4 because you need them for these.
Yeah, it just says discard the other half.
So you're gonna unravel these and then wrap them around here,
Okay.
and then we'll stick them in the box.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we've prepped all 3 of the yarns onto
Yep.
these little things here.
And then, what does it tell you to do next?
What's the next step? Now, we prepared the yarn. We're going to hold all 3 strands together and wrap around this guy. Do I need to break this off?
Nope, that's supposed
I
to
wrap
actually
around
be
the
on.
whole thing?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So you wrap it this way.
Okay.
Stop wrapping when you run out of your colored wool stock yarn, so the yellow. It will run out before everything else.
So it doesn't matter.
Almost there. There you go. You just
There
went
it
out.
is.
So you could probably even step back. And then hold the remaining 2 strands together and slip them between the yarn and the cardboard at the top of the tassel.
Okay.
So wherever you want the top to be.
Okay. It's already bent this way, so
There you go.
whatever. Up here?
Yep.
Okay. Sweet. Should I cut it?
Well, here, what we should do, maybe you should do it at this end so this way these,
Oh, I see.
yeah.
Let the bottom hangy guys be on the bottom.
Yeah.
Or- yeah.
And then tie a knot at the top. You can cut them so you can tie it.
Okay, gotcha.
And then you tie them at the top.
Okay.
Big old knot.
Okay.
And then you cut it right here.
Cut it along the bottom.
Yep.
Can't really tell. I got it bent, so I'm like, where's... I'm taking it out.
I do that too.
I'm like, where's my bottom? I can't tell. It's crooked.
So then I just right across the bottom.
Cut across the bottom. I have to find my middle, though. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to boss it.
We're so
It's like
bossy.
the best thing when you cut it and it goes bloop. Seriously, the best.
Bloop. You got any? I think you did it. Here's a yellow one.
Ah la la.
There.
Touch your finger.
Then you're going to grab the 2 remaining yarns again, and you're going to wrap it around here.
Around there.
Yep.
With this yarn.
Yes, both those. Yep.
Do you wrap it a bunch?
Yeah, I do because I think that's more fun. There. But you can do however you want because it's your tassel.
It's mine. All right, I gotcha. I feel like they look like little dolls.
They
that you would
do.
make.
We
They're
should
like-
make little dolls.
We should. And you can split the arms and the legs, and then.
And then do you have a spot to tie it together?
Yeah, I'm holding on to
Oh,
the.
okay, I see it.
Okay, so wrapping like this, and I was holding this.
And then you tie it in a
tie
knot.
it in a knot.
Our kids are making a play downstairs, so if you hear yelling,
That's my Ben.
it's Ben.
He inherited his
He's very dramatic,
father's
it's okay.
loud voice.
He does have a loud
He
voice.
really does. It just booms. Do we leave this or we do
So
tuck it in?
what you can do is you can use a needle and like tuck it through,
Okay.
which I have. If you want to
Do you have a crochet hook?
I do have a crochet hook in here.
I have a
Not
big
this one.
hunker
That's a
one.
big
I don't
one.
have a.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh! Look at that. So I'm gonna stick it in here. Can you even see? And then I'm gonna grab this and pull it through.
Brilliant.
I know I'm like holding it funny.
Perfect. Look at that.
Oh my word! It's so cute.
And then
Okay.
you can cut it on the
We're
bottom.
just gonna even it out.
There you go. That looks pretty. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this through the top.
Oh, gotcha.
So I'll put these on here.
I always hate putting things on keychains. I always make my husband do it.
I do too.
Bothers my fingers.
I'm with you.
Play. So then
So
this
that's
goes in the
through
top guy.
Just the top string that you used.
Okay.
So that shouldn't be as difficult to.
Hopefully it's not as painful.
There.
Oh my word.
You did it. Look at it. It's so cute.
I feel like it needs a little poofiness.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Before we show it off.
So what they said you could do with it is you could hang it on your purse. You could.
This is what I've wanted to switch out for a long time.
Yay!
This is like the sweetest story. I'll take 30 seconds to tell you the story. My grandma Iva passed away when my daughter was born. But right before she died, she gave me a bunch of her yarn that she had. I think she used it for a Sunday school class or something, and she had like a stash. So there's this like super crazy bright pink yarn. And then a friend in Casper, Wyoming, that I used to live there, I taught her daughter how to crochet, and she made me this like little chain bracelet thing, and I had it for my keys, and now it's like falling apart. I've had to like retie it. I used to be able to put it around my wrist, but I had to tie it because it like broke. Like this is very loved. It actually looks really good in the video, but you can probably see how pilly it is and like how it broke right there. So I'm switching it out for this. Now I can find my keys all the time. So seriously, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, there's
So
my
much fun.
keys.
Well, so if you want them, go to Blue Sky Fibers, I think it's .com, and get one of these kits. Because they're so fun and they're so pretty, and there's 3 different colors. They have a gray, a yellow, and a red. And they're so much fun. So you'll have to go do that, guys.
Super cute.
Thanks for joining us
Thanks for watching.
making a palm.
Making a tassel.
Yes. Sorry, I totally had
Ready?
that.
Go ahead, say it again.
Making a tassel. Thanks for joining us for that. Because that's what we made, not palms.
Making tassels.
Bye.